we present to you Kia's very own Pandora's box. Tempting, isn't it? Hands-on. Hello, my name is Mr. Handsman. Follow me. Open your phone and navigate to www.kiahandson.com. With just a flick of your finger, a magical technology will unfold before your eyes. Hands-on Tour. Let's get started with the Hands-on Tour. This is the smallest virtual studio in the world. Rotate the car 360 degrees. Wonder how it would look in your favorite color? Select any color and see how it looks in real time. Tap the back of the car. Active USP simulation displays the car's features. Various multimedia experiences are all in one place. All this fun at the tip of your finger. There's more. Be swept away by even more unbelievable innovation. Test drives have always been so complicated. Reservation. What a bother. I'm too busy. Just because. Forget it. Hands-on drive. Kia has come up with a new solution for test drives. Delivered right to your hands. Just pick the place, car, date, and time. You will be presented with a mobile master key through your phone. Get in and start the engine. Check your real-time location while driving. Check your speed and distance after driving. This is Kia's state-of-the-art mobile platform, Hands-On. Open your eyes to a whole new world presented by Kia. Kia Hands-On.